So, hello guys, this is me, ARKIdose. So, for today, tuturuan ko naman kayo paano mag-plot ng bearings using kapag galing sa titulo. Usually kasi, sa titulo, sentence na. So, point 1 to point 2. So, dito naman, meron na siyang, may itsura na siya dito sa image na to, which is seen. Wala kasi akong copy ng titulo for today. Hindi ko mahanap. So ito na lang ang reference natin regarding the lot bearings and also the measurements of each point. So, first, kailangan natin always i-check pag magpa-plot tayo. Always check the units. Okay? Units is important kasi kapag magpa-plot ka at using the architecture decimal degrees, hindi yan lalabas, hindi mo mapaplot yung side. So always use surveyor's unit and then millimeters or meters kung ano man yung ginagamit nyo. So let's start. So I assume na this one is the point 1 to point 2. Okay? So PL, always use polyline. Then 0, 0. Okay? So mag-i-start siya dito sa Y and X axis. So next is at, type nyo yun. Ayan, yan. Then first is the measurement on the haba nung point. So 112.33. Then next, and don't forget always yung symbol na yun, okay? Even naka-dynamic input kayo. North, 12 degrees, 20 seconds, and west. Then, yan. So, next is at, again, dire-diretso lang, 143.56, then S, 87 degrees, 47 minutes east. Okay? And at again, itong next na 0.3 to 4. Okay? So, at yung sukat, don't forget, lagi nauuna yung sukat. Then, south. Then, 2 degrees, 17 minutes east. Okay? So, again, yung 4 to 5 na point. 2.1. Okay, 2.1. So, 2.22 south, 82 degrees, 49 minutes west. So, ayan na siya. Nag-lock na siya, naging close siya kasi tama yung ating ginawa. Minsan naman, may instances na hindi nagla-lock o nagko-close yung lote. May kulang o may discrepancy na 0.10, 0.17. So, kailangan nyo ipa-check yun. It's either may technical discrepancy doon. So, yun. Okay, thank you. Sana makatulong. And sa mga baguhan na mag-plot, of course, don't forget yung command and kung paano yung format ng pagta-type nung pagpa-plot ng bearing. Yun lang.